Penguins are quite interesting. They can swim, they can walk, but they can't fly. Now, when people think about where penguins live, people think about Antarctica, and yes, they live there, but that's not the only place they live. In fact, there is a species of penguin known as the African penguin. There are penguins living in Africa, particularly around the southwest coast of Africa, around Namibia, South Africa, Angola. An important question is this: why can you find penguins in that particular part of Africa? Well, you gotta follow the food. Follow the food. Penguins have a diet of fish and squid, stuff that you find in the oceans. That is the diet of the penguin. The African penguin eats fish such as sardines and anchovies. These types of fish are found in relatively cool waters, and in the case of Southwest Africa, the Benguela Current goes up the coast from Cape Town, South Africa up to Angola. This particular ocean current carries relatively cool waters, and these are nutrient-rich waters. This is where you find anchovies, this is where you find sardines, you find so many species of fish, because these waters are nutrient-rich. And it's these waters where penguins get their food. Biogeography is about the distribution of species, why they are where they are. Penguins live where they live because of where they get their food. And the food is there because of certain conditions. The African penguin is an endangered species. One of the reasons it's endangered is because of overfishing. Consider what penguins eat and where they get their food. Penguins live off of fish. Because of the overfishing of sardines and anchovies, this has played a role in penguins, in many cases, not having enough to eat, and this has reduced the number of penguins. Other threats to the African penguin include the consumption of penguin eggs and oil spills. There are efforts being made to help increase the number of penguins. One of them is instituting no-take zones. Areas where there are penguin colonies, fishing is not allowed. This is to help leave food for the penguins so that they can eat. It is part of an effort to establish sustainable fishing practices. Conservation efforts for the African penguin also involve the mitigation, prevention, and response to oil spills. This also involves cleaning penguins when they've been affected by an oil spill. It is important to understand that one of the breeding grounds for the African penguin is around the Cape Town area. Cape Town being a major port city in South Africa, it is important to watch out for oil spills. Penguins live where they live because of what they eat. This is the case for the African penguin. The African penguin faces many dangers, and there are efforts being made to help make sure that the African penguin doesn't go extinct. If you like this video, be sure to check out other videos on this channel, and as always, be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.